Good afternoon. We are breaking into programming today for some breaking news. The charges against Bill Cosby are being dropped and he will be getting out of prison. We just learned from the Pennsylvania Supreme Court that Cosby's convictions and judgment of sentences are vacated and he is discharged. Cosby was convicted back in 2018 of drugging and sexually assaulting a woman back in 2004. And this was really the start of the Me Too movement. He was one of the first celebrities that was brought to trial and had a lot of people come out against him during this time. After the trial, he was sentenced to 3 to 10 years in prison and was just last month denied parole. At this point, he served more than 2 years of that sentence. Cosby did appeal, though. He appealed to the court in December, claiming that his whole life was put on trial and that he also suffered unquantifiable prejudice. The Pennsylvania Supreme Court did take the case, and it reviewed 2 different aspects. The first one involved the judge's decision to let prosecutors call 5 other accusers, and the other examined Cosby's argument that he had an agreement with a former prosecutor that he would never be charged. So a lot of questions that come into play now is what happens next? If he's leaving prison, what happens from here? Well, Cosby will be led out of Phoenix State Prison in Montgomery County, where he has been held. The 83-year-old will then essentially be a free man. The prosecutors will still have the option at this point if they want to appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court. Again, this judgment just came down from the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. The majority opinion. You can expect much more on this breaking news story. We do have a team in Montgomery County today, and we'll be at the prison near Philadelphia this afternoon. You can see that for Fox 43 News first at 4 and 5. And we are, of course, working to learn even more from Cosby's attorneys as well.